And as you've been seeing all day long the last couple of days, the fire isn't going anywhere. They've got heightened fire threats, these red flag warnings that are still there. And we still have high wind warnings fanning those flames in Southern California. All that smoke, all of LA is under an air quality alert, so this isn't ending anytime soon, unfortunately. Low temperatures today. We still have yet to freeze for the season here officially in New Orleans. We only did 38. Now we were cold, North Shore, into the 20s yet again, but Belle Chase, Houma only down to 34. Topped out in the 40s, near 50, so it was a cold day. The clouds were here. It's still chilly. We've got a wind adding into it as well. Dew points compared to those air temperatures. Remember, those were in the 40s still right now, 30s. So a lot of that light rain I just showed on Doppler radar at the top of the newscast isn't making its way to the ground. It's evaporating. So we've got a little bit of an east breeze too, but the breeze, the winds, the temperature changes, potential for heavy rain. There's a lot to cover tomorrow for here towards tomorrow. You look at the region, there has been terrible travel from Dallas, and it's going to be Arkansas's problem tomorrow. We've got our bout of heavier rain, and if you see right there, it's in the morning hours. Once that system's through, another round of cold's going to dip in. Nowhere near as cold, initially what we went through, but still will have impact days for those cold temperatures to get through. So here's a look at current radar lining up with our current forecast. It does pretty well, but let's step through the timing of when the heaviest rain arrives. We go to steadier rain in the late night or early morning hours, depending on how you see it. But the arrival of the heavy rain starts to come as we're getting up and going to the earliest wake up. 4:30 news, WDSU News early here. We'll have Brandy B. Harris with traffic and, of course, Raven Richard with weather. Heavier rain potential starts to move in with the actual front. The timing of this right now in New Orleans is going to be from 5 to 9 a.m. So 7 to 8 could be right in the middle of when that swath of the heaviest rain moves through. Light rain hangs on for a better part of the morning throughout midday and starts to taper off as we go through the afternoon. So again, timing of the heaviest rain, 5 to 9 in the morning. Widespread 1 to 2 inch totals possible, but the latest trends have been showing that maybe 1 to 2 plus to the North Shore and maybe a ½ inch to 1 inch plus here to the South Shore. There's a low risk for this possible flooding, but all this coming together and at the wrong time for a WDSU First Warning Weather Alert Day. That's why I think traffic will be a slow go, but look at those temperatures. That's going to feel great. 60s compared to what we had, but don't get used to it. Gusty winds in the morning hours. We could have wind advisories, and it still stays breezy through the afternoon, but you see south winds switching to northwest. Yeah, not a good day to be on water. Gale warnings in effect. But morning temperatures in the 60s will be their warmest, so this is what I call a upside down day, a backwards day. Warmest part of the day is in the morning, and then colder air comes in throughout the day with those northwest winds. So be prepared for a big temperature change. Obviously, you want to have rain gear in the morning hours. Maybe you got your shrimp boots and you're holding your shoes, and then you'll change that once you get to work and school. But the alert day for the heavy rain in the morning, the impact day for the cold, windy day coming thereafter. We get into the weekend, there's some sunshine finally popping out on Saturday, but it's still a bit breezy. We only top out around 49 to 50, so that's going to be an impact day too. We just can't get rid of this chill anytime soon. WDSU First Warning Weather, the alert for the heavy rain potential. Again, watch the change in temps, the breeze and winds added in with it too. Still staying chilly through the weekend and even to next week too.